Hi, I'm in the process of putting baseboard on the walls here, you see? And here is the outside corner, as you can see here. And that's what I want to show you. I'm putting here in the outside corner a baseboard. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a baseboard between here to here. But if you look at here, what you can see, it's an inside corner. And you can see it's already 45 degrees here. This baseboard is cut. So I'm going to cut this baseboard 45 degrees and just cut a piece to fit here. So this is the piece of PCB board I'm going to put here, okay? And what I have to do, I have to cut it 45 degrees toward this place, okay? That's what I want to show. I'm doing it first because it needs to be placed on the inside corner here, okay? And then that's why you need to be cut first 45 degrees. So what I'm going to do now, let me show you how I'm doing it. So the first thing, I'm going to use the circular saw. I'm going to move it 45 degrees, okay, until the end. Let me show you what's happening here. You see, this circular saw can move up and down. See if I can show you. You see it's moving, and look carefully here, and what you can see is the degrees, okay? So I first put it 45 degrees. Okay, so I put it here, the baseboard, as you can see, and as you can see, 45 degrees exactly. So I'm taking the board that I just cut. You can see the 45 degrees here, and I'm just place it to its position here. That's it. This PVC is very flexible. It's not really straight, but when we're going to nail it, it's going to be excellent, like this baseboard. Okay, after I place it in its position, I will have to come here, you can see here, and mark exactly where is the edge. Here, where it touched the wall, you can see. I will take a pencil and I will just mark it here. Let me show you. So what I'm doing, I'm taking a pencil here, put it like that, and just make the line here. So here is the board, and here's the line where I have to cut it 45 degrees toward this area. Okay, so let me give you 45 degrees. Let me cut it 45 degrees. Okay, I'm placing this board here. You can see this. First I try to see where the knife arrived. The knife really have to arrive here. Where is the line? You can see, here is the line. The knife has to cut from the line here. That's it. Clear cut. So you can see it here, 45 degrees as needed. Here I have another piece that I place here. Just found another piece, of PVC. This is the piece, you can see. And look what I'm doing. I'm actually putting it here, but I really don't put it. I actually maintain 1/8 of an inch between this trim and the baseboard here. Very important because we're going to put here silicone to seal it. And again, I'm doing the same trick. I'm coming here, and now I'm using a pencil here to mark it. So let me mark it and I'll show you the result. So I just mark it here. I want to show where exactly. You can see it here. And that's where I have to cut the 45 degrees. So remember, before I'm going to cut the 45 degrees, the 45 degrees should go like that, not like this, toward this area, okay? It's very important. $45 as you can see here. Exactly. Before I'm going to nail it, I want to show you. I'm just trying to put it together here. It's a little bit difficult to show you, but if I put it like that, you can see it's perfect. It's really perfect. And the only thing you need is a little bit of caulking gear. That is usually what you're doing. Maybe even not caulking. So let's try. Let's actually first nail this baseboard, and then we will nail this one. So I have my Hitachi gun here. You will look at the link below. You can see it. 2.5 inch the nail, and so now I'm going to nail the other board here, this board, with the nail gun. First I'm going to fit it. That's it. So let me show you the result. Weights look from here, from above, from here, and from here. Okay, almost perfect. So to seal the gap or to caulk it, I'm using Alex Fast Dry window, baseboard, trim, molding, and door. So I'm using these tools, the Pro Caulk tool. Look at the link. Just to clean it. That's it. So that is the way it looks after I caulk it with this. You can see it's Alex Fast Dry. Okay, sealing below. Using these tools, I caulk it, and look how nice it looks. Okay, you can't even see the gap anymore here. There was a gap also on top, which I sealed with this Alex Fast Dry. And here also I caulk here. So that's the way it's look. Thank you for watching this video.